Hello. Today we are at Jamsil Saemaeul Market. We have been to Gwangjang Market before, but this is more of a local market, and we saw on Korean TikTok that people go here. Lots of local veggies and rice cake. Oh, we have tteokbokki, pig's feet. It's starting to rain again, but we're on our way to tteokbokki. We're pretty hungry. We had breakfast, but I went on a 5-kilometer run. Jay went on like a 7-kilometer run. They have tteokbokki. Okay, we're gonna go find the tteokbokki first. We're at Hongkono for the tteokbokki. Got the tteokbokki. Guys, we got the mandu chicken. And then usually at these places you can get like the odding soup for free on the side. Oh my gosh, we got the soondae, and he gave us a bit of nijang, and then which is like an intestine. And this is the A set, which is like tteokbokki and mandu.
It's good.
That was a big bite, but
I'm gonna dip it in.
okay. First sip.
So refreshing.
It's perfect. I think it's really good. It's not stale. You dip it in some of this salt. Let's try one of these dumplings. It's like a fried dumpling, glass noodle inside. And you dip it in the tteokbokki sauce.
It's crunchy. I give it a solid 8.5.
I give it a 9, but I'm just like really
I was
hungry.
gonna say that to you, but it's our first rating, so.
Cleared it. I'll put how long it took us, but dang.